There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I am one.
My mother was a tailor, sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans.
Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he'll be satisfied is when he's on a drum.
Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
Well, I've got one foot on a platform, the other foot on a train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball in cheap.
Well, there is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I am the house of the rising sun.
Tis the season, watch out, look around, something's coming, coming to town, coming to your town. Always go to coming to your town, something magic.